Welcome to SOTEX. So let's get started. Today I will show you top 5 video editing softwares, starting from VSDC free video editor, Wondershare Filmora, 3rd Hitfilm 4 Express, 4th cyberlink powerdirector 15, and a final one Vegas Pro 13. Number 5. All the download links are in the description. This editor can do almost everything like slideshow creating, video capture, screen recording, and many more. I will show a simple demo. It's very simple and easy. For a beginner, it's an amazing video editor. Drag and drop your photos and videos as well as the effects from effects panel. Number 4. This is Filmora video editor. It's a cool editor. Many peoples are using this. Come on, let's take a look. Number 3. Now the Hitfilm 4 Express. This video editor has lots of customization options, none other than any video editor. Okay, let's see the quick overview. Number 2. This is cyberlink powerdirector 15. This is one of the best video editor. Let me show you. Number 1. Number 1 video editor is the Sony Vegas Pro. This is very simple and the most efficient video editor. It has lots of cool features. All the download links are in the description. So that's it. Comment on which video editor you are going to use. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, put the like icon turn blue. Also subscribe for more. Once again thanks, and I will catch you on the next video.